I can
Hey,
hear.
Joe, how do you like the new hearing aids?
Love it.
What do you like best about it?
I can hear.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And you know they're connected to your shirt with the alligator clips, right?
Yes.
All right. And you're going to put them in the charger at nighttime.
Uh-huh.
All right. And we're going to maybe clean them with alcohol wipes. Okay?
Is that all you have to do?
That's all you do. You're going to use alcohol wipes like this. All right. And after you're going to take, at the nighttime, you're going to take the hearing aids out. You're going to clean the hearing aids with alcohol wipes. Then you're going to put them in the charger. Okay?
Okay.
Do you want me to show you on the video where the charger is?
Yeah, I saw it right over there.
All right, let me show Michelle then too, okay? So the charger's right here, and what you do with this is you put the hearing aids in. I'm just gonna take one of them, Michelle, and then I'm gonna take it out of your dad's ear, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in so you can see it on the video, okay? So what you'll do is, there's no electrical contacts, okay? So what you'll do is, there's no electrical contacts on this either. There's a little part where the sound comes out, where the little white is. You'll go ahead and put that in the hole. Now what you'll notice is, you see a light that comes up there on the blue side. Blue is for left, red is for right. You see the light on there? These are fully charged. So you see 3 lights come on. What'll happen is, you'll have these lights come on in the morning, and your dad will take them out. I'll just show you how to put them in his ears in a second. And then, even if he sleeps for 2 days, if you keep them in the charger, it's not going to hurt anything. So now we're going to take them out of the charger, and I'm going to show you how we put them on and connect the alligator clips. So this one's the left. There's a little face there, okay? So that's how they're going to go in, just like that, with the eyes and the nose, okay? So there's a little part right here, which is the white part. That's going to go in your dad's ear canal. So that'll fit right here. It's going to fit like a glove because we took impressions. So you see the face. The face is set up just like that. And now we're going to go ahead and put this alligator clip on the shirt, and that's there. Okay? You can put it back a little bit behind this just so it's not hanging on the side, but that's going to be up to you and your dad. Okay? So I'll go ahead and send you this video later on, but I just want to show you. You want to say anything else to Michelle?
I can hear him. That's the main thing.
That's all we wanted to hear.
Yes.
All right. Take care, Joe.
Thank you.